Hey you guys, I'm Mollie with Design Loves Detail, and if you haven't been following along, we are updating a home from top to bottom, and we've gone through a lot of the steps so far, so we're going to be showing some new updates today. Stay tuned. In case you guys haven't been following along, we have some major progress on our flip home that we've been working on for a couple months now, and I can't wait to show you more, so stay tuned. Here we are in the entryway, and this space has gotten some changes too. This used to open up into a formal living room, which we are now no longer doing because we wanted to make it into a bedroom. So this has been drywalled. I'm gonna have a big piece of artwork here, and we installed for a picture light, so that'll feel kind of like a nice way to come into this space. And we've still got it open over here. Up here was that half moon shape that looked really dated, I thought. And so it's just opened this whole view up to feel really fresh, and you get to walk into the living room and see a really new exciting feature that we added there too. In the kitchen, we have some major changes. This arch, of course, is one that we've talked about a few times, but now it's drywalled so you can get a better feel for how the finished thing looks. I love it. It's nice and wide, and it's gonna give us that open feel, a little more open concept like we're aiming for with this space. Again, the island's gonna go in the middle, of course, and then we've got our space ready for the fridge. This wall over here is where we will have a great accent. I can't wait to show you, but it's nice to see because we've gotten some of the flooring in. It's not quite done, but they started installing the flooring. So it gives a whole blank slate, and it feels just so new and fresh in here, which is the best part about a remodel. We're gonna show you a couple more spaces as well that have had major changes. So the really exciting thing is these windows that we were able to add. This was the thing that I think has changed this home the most, is adding these 3 windows up here. It lets in so much more light, and it just gives this home a way more updated, modern feel. So when those went in, it was like such a glorious moment because we got to see that whole vision come to life. Here in the hallway, this used to be a really small coat closet. I decided to open it up and make it kind of a design element with adding this arch. And it's gonna be kind of like I did my built-ins when we did our basement finishing last year, where there's some floating natural wood shelves that will go across here and give us both some storage, but a pretty look as well. This is another major change. This is what used to be that one huge bathroom and is now 2 separate bathrooms. I'm so glad we did this. We're gonna have a double vanity here that is going to be gorgeous. I'm actually going to do this bathroom with things that can all be ordered online so that you guys could order this entire bathroom when it's done, and it's gonna be so cool. I'm partnering with build.com. They have so many awesome products. You can see kind of in here, the tub, it's kind of a really standard width or depth, I guess. And so it'll be just right for what we need. This will accommodate the 2 bedrooms, that new one that we added, and then a second guest bedroom. So it should be really nice and functional. And what's cool about this space too is the really high ceilings. They are really tall for a space like this, which I think gives a bigger feel even though the space isn't huge. Here on the other side of that wall that we were just looking at is the second bathroom that we were able to squeeze out of that huge space. And it does feel a little bit tight in here after how massive the bathroom was before. It will be sufficient because we'll just have a shower in this one. It'll have a glass door to keep an open feeling, and I did an open vanity so that even though it's kind of a smaller footprint for this space, hopefully it will still feel open and really functional and nice to have off of this bedroom. We do still have over here too, the linen closet, which gives some nice storage and gives the space a little bit more of an open feel too. That'll have just the horizontal shelves again, like we're doing in the hallway, where it brings a little bit of that natural warmth of the wood. Thank you guys for watching today as we took a little tour of where we are currently with our flip home. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of when the next update is live.